Okay, so here we are, day 2. We have 12 hours before we leave to go to Florida. Now, this is Thursday, and we're leaving Friday, and the competition's Saturday. So we technically have more than 12 hours, but we have to travel, and we're getting a room tomorrow night. So I'm not going to be in my workshop with the ability to work on these robots. So I have 12 hours to get That Didn't Hurt together. We have to finish putting Big G together. And this is still Tyrone. Now, I did mount his motors for the drive, and they're ready to go. I had to replace one gearbox from the last competition, and I cut out a new motor plate. You can see this is the old one. I'm going to stack it next to the new one, just like that. You can see it's much thicker, so hopefully this one doesn't bend, because I have a feeling this bar is going to throw some heavy hits, and I know for sure after like 4 hits this one would bend for sure. So what I got to do is now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach the motor plate, get the motor installed, start running the wires, and get Tyrone ready, because he's only about 30-40 minutes away from being set up, because I already have his full wiring harness all put together. The speed controls are already wired up. They just need to be plugged in. We have plugs on both of them as well. Weapon motors here ready to go. Let's just go ahead and put Tyrone back together. Okay, so it's been a little bit of a thrash session, but we're about to put power to Tyrone, and we're going to find out if everything's wired right. There's about a 90% chance that something is backwards. Not polarity-wise, where I'm going to smoke something, but having swapped motors and things, chances are I got to reverse stuff. If you know, you know. Okay, so we're powered up. That's a good sign. No smoke. Okay, so what we got to do, I can already tell just because I know my Tyrone. We're going to swap these two. I got the right on the left and the left on the right. And I soldered one of the motors backwards, but that's an easy fix. I can just reverse that in the controller. Let's see where we're at now.
Telemetry recovered. Signal critical.
Okay, so it looks like I need to reverse channel 1. Okay, so after some fumbling around with my radio, I have discovered got the right orientation anyway. So we have forward, reverse, left, and right. So that is tremendous. That's a huge step. We have weapon, and is it spinning the right way? We do have weapon, and it is spinning the right way. Don't do this at home, folks. That's going to be a nasty blade. I feel sorry for my first opponent. I guarantee it's going to work at least one hit. Nasty. Alrighty, so his electronics are sorted. He has weapon, he has drive. Now it's just time to button him up, make him safe. Battery is out. We can kill the radio. Now it's time to just wrap him up, put the armor on him, and pack him away. He'll be ready to go. Okay, so we got Tyrone pretty much buttoned up. I got to organize those wires a little better. It says every robot builder in the history of robot builders. Guess it would help if I plug the battery up. I'm going to do a test drive real quick just to make sure everything is still functioning. Lord Ruckus, look at the wires. All right, let's turn the bot on. Alrighty, let's put him right here on the ground. Let's see if Tyrone XL is mobile. I need to put some grip on the tires. Haven't done that yet. As you can tell, it's quite slippery. That blade seems quite out of balance. It shouldn't be. It's a brand new blade. But I don't know. It's going to be hard to control if that's what it's going to be like. And I'm running over my receiver. But at least he's functioning. I'm really concerned about the drifting problem. I don't know if I'm going to have to maybe get a wider hub and try to put a thicker wheel on there to get more control. But these wheels have absolutely no grip on them either yet, so we'll find out. I'll decorate the tires tonight, put some rubber on them, try them out in the morning, see if we got to go to a plan B. I really want to run this blade, but if I can't control it, there's no point in running it. We'll see what happens tomorrow.